Hello, my name is Evelyne de Leeuw. I'm a professor of public health and I know stuff about political science too. Um, I am also a member of the executive board of the International Union for Health Promotion and Education. I just organized the World Conference for IUHPE that had as a theme promoting policies for health, well-being, and equity. So policy is very important. I'm editor-in-chief of a number of publications, Health Promotion International and Infrastructure in Health, and the Palgrave series in political science in public health. And I do many, many other things. Well, that's the crux, eh? That's where that's where the rubber hits the road. That's where we have to deliver, and we've seen it all over the world during the pandemic of the last couple of years, from very well arranged pandemic preparedness plans. Most governments and policymakers very quickly descended into short-termism, popular rhetoric, abjectly inequitable vaccination responses, and so on. A cool-headed political analysis could have prevented a lot of drama, I think. And it would have created better anticipation, engaging of the political factors in society. And it would have shaped the evidence that we had, because there was no lack of evidence. It's about shaping the evidence, about how protective mask wearing is, how effective vaccines are. So shaping that evidence into palatable frames, how people respond to communications about that evidence. And ultimately, I think if we would have unleashed better political science at the beginning of the pandemic, I'm sure we would have prevented thousands of avoidable deaths. Politics is about power. And power tends to go soft when you expose its sources. So if people, politicians, but also popular spokespeople, start screaming stuff, you need to expose how that stuff helps or is not helpful. And understanding the politics and the reasons why people engage in those politics. And you have big P politics and small p politics. And policy processes. Understanding how that works makes things more transparent, and making them more transparent, exposing the roots of what's going on, I think, is part of the game of shaping a better world.